Engine overloading prevention, maximizing performance on your excavator. Today we will answer another important question. Will the engine of excavator be overloaded frequently? Let's find out. Under normal operating conditions, the excavator engine will not encounter this issue generally. However, the engine's RPM revolutions per minute can decrease when the excavator operates under heavy loads, and in severe cases, it may result in engine shutdown. Top 3 factors can contribute to such issues. Number 1. Environmental factors. Excavators cannot work in an environment above 35 degrees for a long time. This can potentially cause engine overload. Number 2. Engine-related issues. Certain engine-related factors, such as insufficient lubrication or cooling, may lead to engine strain. Number 3. Hydraulic system problems. Malfunctions or inefficiencies in the hydraulic system can indirectly affect the engine performance. If you have another questions about these issues, you can contact us by email or visit our website for more helpful information.